Hello taxpayers! Welcome to our digitalized taxpayers briefing and orientation. Today, I will be discussing the Revenue Regulation number 5-2021 which implements the new income tax rates on the regular income of corporations, including additional allowable deductions from gross income of persons engaged in business pursuant to Republic Act number 11534 or the Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentives for Enterprises Act or the CREATE Law, which further amended the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended. Minimum Corporate Income Tax Rate or the MCIT is reduced from 2% to 1% effective July 1, 2020 to June 30, 2023. Rate of proprietary educational institution and hospitals is reduced from 10% to 1% effective July 1, 2020 to June 30, 2023. Effective July 2020, the corporate income tax rate is reduced from 30% to 20% from domestic corporations with net taxable income not exceeding 5 million and total assets not exceeding 100 million. All other domestic corporations and resident foreign corporations shall be subject to 25% income tax. Effective January 1, 2021, income tax rate for non-resident foreign corporation is reduced from 30% to 25%. Imposition of improperly accumulated earnings tax is repealed. Definition of reorganization for purposes of applying the tax-free exchange provision under Section 40C, Paragraph 2 is expanded. Prior BIR ruling or confirmation shall not be required for purposes of availing the tax exemption of the exchange. Upon the effectivity of the CREATE, an additional deduction from taxable income of 1/2 of the value of labor training expenses incurred for skills development enterprise-based trainees duly covered by an apprenticeship agreement under Presidential Decree number 442 series of 1974 or the Labor Code of the Philippines as amended. Provided finally that such deduction shall not exceed 10% of direct labor wage. Effective July 1, 2020, allowable deduction for interest expense shall be reduced by an amount equivalent to 20% of interest income subjected to final tax. However, for domestic corporations with net taxable income not exceeding 5 million and total assets not exceeding 100 million, the deduction is 0%, since there is no difference in the income tax rate on the taxable income with the tax rate applied on the interest income subjected to final tax. For ease of computing the rates for interest arbitrage for the taxable year 2020, the following rates may be used by domestic corporations under itemized deductions. For ease of computing the income tax due during the transition period, the following rates reflected in the matrix may be used. And that ends my discussion on the income tax provision of the CREATE Law. Thank you for listening.
Ang buwis ko'y para sa